Did you know mushrooms have their own secret language? That's right. Beneath the forest floor, they're busy chatting away through a vast network of mycelium. Think of it as the internet of the fungi world. They send signals to warn each other about pests or share nutrients. Imagine a mushroom texting its buddy, "Hey, I found some tasty soil over here." And it gets even cooler. Some species can even communicate with trees, helping them thrive. It's like a woodland social network where everyone's looking out for each other. So next time you see a mushroom, remember, it's not just a tasty pizza topping, it's a little communicator playing its part in nature's grand conversation. Who knew fungi could be so social?